Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete wallpaper on your iOS 16. Maybe you have a situation that you want to delete some your unwanted wallpapers at your iPhones and as well as iPads and you really don't know how to delete them. Then you should watch this full video and follow the simple steps. After that you will all know how to fix it. So let's get started. Firstly, when you go to your wallpapers, as here you can only add them, you cannot fix them or delete them from here. So how to delete them? Just go back. Now lock your screen. Again, press and hold at your home screen until this panel is appears. Now unlock your phone. As appears on screen, you can see all the wallpapers are appears in here. Now if you want to delete any of them, just scroll it up. At the bottom you can see a option delete. Like this, you can easily delete your wallpaper from here. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.